Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to learn a super fun tricks called the split strategy. It is a way to break number into tens and ones to make adding them faster and easier. So let's have some example for this. Let's solve 46 plus 12 using a split strategy. Step 1. Split the number into tens and ones. So 46 will become 40 and 6. 12 is equal to 10 and 2. Step 2. Add the tens together. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Step 3. Add the ones together. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Step number 4. Put the sum of tens and ones together. So, sum of 10 is 50 plus sum of ones is 8. 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. So the final answer is 58. The sum of 46 and 12 is equal to 58. Let's have another example. Solve 65 plus 34. First step, split into tens and ones. So 65 is equal to 60 plus 5. 34 is equal to 30 plus 4. Step 2. Add the tens together. 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. Step 3. Add the ones together. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Step number 4. Put the sum of tens and ones together. So 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. So the final answer is 99. 65 plus 34 is equal to 99. Let's wrap up the split strategy in 4 easy steps. First, look at the number you want to add. Then step number 1, split them into tens and ones. Step number 2, add all the tens together. Step number 3. Add all the ones together. Step number 4. Then put the sum of tens and ones together to get your final answer. We use the split strategy when the sum of the ones place is just one digit. But don't worry, if the sum is of 2 digits, we will learn another super strategy in our next video. So stay tuned for more fun and easy math tricks for kids. Thank you for watching.